Now, Grammy-winning musician David Guetta had concerts planned over in India between 13th and 15th January from Bengaluru to Mumbai to Hyderabad and New Delhi. But fans in Bengaluru were disappointed yesterday when his concert was cancelled, and now in Mumbai as well, there's been another blow to the Indian fans of David Guetta. Now, Guetta's concert has been denied permission by Mumbai police. Sunburn, the organisers, changed the venue for the Mumbai concert at the last minute after BMC denied clearance, but the cops have refused to give permission to the new venue as well. In spite of the lack of permission, the organisers have put the tickets for concert in Mumbai on sale online as well.
The organisers of David Guetta's Mumbai event are in hurdle over the permission. Last night, they didn't get a permission or the clearance from BMC, and BMC called the ticket sale of David Guetta's event at a racecourse as illegal. Immediately, they shifted the venue from racecourse to this particular Geo Gardens in BKC area. But here also they are facing trouble, as according to the police sources, they don't have any kind of clearance because they applied for the permission, but they didn't submit the traffic plan and other necessary documents, and that's why there is no permission given by police to the organizers of David Guetta's event. Right now, all the organizers are in hurdle. They are contemplating that what action should be taken. As we can see that the preparations at the Geo Garden are done. They are almost at the last stage. Even the crowd has started coming here slowly and gradually to buy the ticket. Those who have registered online, those who have purchased the ticket or the pass online, they are coming here to get their passes. So right now, all the organizers are in hurdle and they are contemplating about the next move. When we had word off record with one of the organizers, they said that event is still on. But here there is no clarity, as even the fans even the team is also reached here. The tents are here, the tickets windows have been opened, but no one is getting a ticket as there is no clearance from Mumbai police. In Mumbai with cameraman Mangesh Sawant, Mayuresh Kanpatri for India Today.
करीबन एक महीने पहले टिकट बुक करवाया था।
और कितने रुपए की टिकट है पेश?
2500। दुख तो बहुत होगा क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली वहाँ से देखने आए यहाँ से, लेकिन ट्रस्ट भी है कि कुछ ना कुछ जुगाड़ तो होगा, तो पेशेंट तो है हम लोग, कोई टेंशन नहीं है।
My colleague Mayuresh is joining us now. Mayuresh, before I come to you, I want to take our viewers through the message that David Guetta had posted on his Twitter timeline yesterday when he said, I was supposed to play a show in Bengaluru, India, that unfortunately has been cancelled at the very last minute. And he's posted a picture of his concert in Mumbai, Hyderabad and New Delhi in the coming days. Now, Mumbai being today, why is it that the Sunburn organizers weren't able to grapple with the situation till the last minute, and still there has been no information given out as people continue to flock in a hope they'll be able to meet their favorite musician?
Change of venue, and now we are saying date you have to collect.
Certainly, before answering your question, I'll go across to two gentlemen who are with me. So, you just have to show me your ticket. When did you book the ticket?
2 months ago.
2 months ago. And how much you paid for that?
16,500 rupees for 4 VIP tickets.
And still, you can buy ticket from the online?
Yeah, I just sent the screen grab to the Deputy Commissioner of Police. He has forwarded it to the collector. I told him I'm willing to file a criminal complaint.
So that's what we heard from. Let's go across to another gentleman. Sir, how disappointed you after coming here get to know that the event got cancelled?
Well, it is extremely disappointing because as recent as today this afternoon at 12:30, I get a message that the show is on. And when I come in here, I get to a surprise, the show is off.
But did you get this information that show is off from any organizer or any person from organizing team or from Mumbai police?
No, not at all. It is only the Mumbai police and the media who have been basically covering up this matter now. The organizer is not to be seen and they are not even responding to the phone calls.
Certainly, that's the same reaction we are getting from everyone, that organizers are not on the scene. They are not telling anyone that the event got cancelled. It's the Mumbai police who are telling.
Mayuresh, I just want to ask one more question. Mayuresh, I just want to ask one more question. Now, these gentlemen who are there with their tickets, are they being refunded by the organizers? Is there any team which is taking stock of the situation from the organizers at the spot?
Sir, you tell me that you have paid 4,000 rupees for 4 tickets. It's early bird offer from Nets. What about the refund? Have you got any kind of information about the refund?
I don't know. They have not even informed that show is cancelled. So where is the question of getting any intimation? Here the box office, nobody is there.
Now, did you get any SMS or mail from the particular website through which you
Not
booked?
at all. I don't know the fate of the 15,000 rupees which I paid for free tickets as a VIP. I don't even know where I stand on it, whether I'll get a refund or if I don't get, I don't know what it is.
A simple question, do you feel cheated?
I think yes. I think I'll think twice before attending a event which is being organized by the same VN managers. I think I really have a doubt on their credentials now.
Certainly the people are raising doubt on the credentials of the
Absolutely.
organizers, and they do feel cheated that they are still not getting information about the cancellation of event. And I can tell you that there is no one from the Sunburn or from the organizers who are here at the gate, because this is the gate where a crowd or where fans are supposed to go inside, but here you can see only Mumbai Police and Mumbai Police.
Well, Mayuresh, let's try and also get closer to that box office. As the gentleman is saying, there is nobody present there. The organizers are nowhere to be seen. These people have booked their tickets months in advance. They're paying 4,000 to 5,000 rupees per ticket. Many people would have also planned their travel to Mumbai till the last moment. Till now, we were just minutes away from the concert being organized. If David Guetta was there, no word from the organizers, no refund available, no accountability being taken. That's really a shocking state of affairs. We'll stay on this story. I want to take our viewers also through what's happening in Bengaluru. The police is mulling action against the organizers of David Guetta's concert. In spite of the lack of any police permission, Sunburn, the organizers, sold tickets for the event. The organizers had initially claimed that Bengaluru police had withdrawn permission for the concert in view of the incidents on the New Year's Eve. The cops had countered the claim, saying that the organizer had been asked to decide on another date due to APMC polls in the area. It has now come to light that the organizers had only sought clearance for the event 2 days before it was to be.
They do not have a written permission or clearance from the police because they came on the 10th for a 12th event, and they claim that they were denied permission when the permission was not given at all. Is that how it is?
I read in some, or I came to know through social media in some places, it has been misinformed that there was a permission given and at the last moment taken back. This is highly regrettable if the organizers are telling like that. And if we get evidence for that, we'll book case against them because they cannot talk like that. No permission was given to them at the for initial stage only, and so there's no question of taking back the permission.
Can they be prosecuted? Can they be arrested?
No, that's a later part of it, but they can't spread misinformation for which suitable action can be taken against them.
My colleague Rohini is joining us on the story. So Rohini, it's not only in Bengaluru but in Mumbai also, fans feeling cheated by the organizers for David Guetta's concert. Any action being mulled against the organizers by the Bengaluru police at this point of time?
Yes, and that's what the top cop, that is the IG of Central, Mr. Siman Kumar Singh, told me when I was discussing with him, is that now there are two options. One is if any of the fans who have bought the tickets for the 12th of Jan for the event that was to take place feel that they have been cheated by the organizers, they can come ahead and file a complaint. The police will take it and action can be taken under 420 or cheating, under cheating of the IPC. Secondly, they're also contemplating and mulling over the fact that spreading misinformation on the social media could also lead to attracting legal procedures and the IT Act. So it's very clearly here that the organizers are in deep trouble here. The simple reason that they claim that they had permissions, which they did not. They did not have any written permissions, and now they're in trouble for going to the people and saying they're going to hold an event when they don't even have permissions for that.
All right, Rohini, thanks for joining us on that story. Stay with us, getting some breaking news.